There are two kinds of teenagers in the world. Here we have Teen A. They're busy all day. School, a part-time job, side hustles, always tired, always grinding, and still broke. And here we have Teen B. Teen B works way less. They're calm, they focus on high leverage skills instead of non-stop work. Constant hustle, no burnout. And a year later, I think you already know who's making more money. If you couldn't tell, it's me, by the way. Because working harder and longer doesn't make you rich, but leverage does. In this video, I'm gonna break down 6 steps that you can follow to work less and make more money in your teenage years. And the first one alone is something most teens get completely wrong. It's why they stay busy and broke. Here's the problem. Most teenagers think that the answer is just to work harder. More hours, more effort, more stress. But that idea comes from school, not from how money actually works. School rewards time, but money rewards impact. And there's a big difference. Therefore, if you apply school logic to money, you'll end up busy but broke. So what do most teens do? They get a job, then another hustle, then another little way to make cash on the side. But every single one of those is still capped by a number of hours. There are only 24 hours in a day, and you're already using most of that just to survive. Therefore, no matter how motivated you are, you'll hit a ceiling before you ever build freedom. That's why so many people burn out early. Not because they're lazy, but because they're playing the wrong game. Here's the mindset shift that changes everything. You don't hear rich people saying, "How can I work more?" They ask, "How can I make 1 hour worth more?" And that's leverage. Leverage means one action creates results multiple times. One skill pays you even when you're not doing anything. One system beats 10 hours of. And the best time to build leverage is before it gets heavy. Because later on, life adds pressure, bills, responsibilities, people depending on you. But right now, you have something most adults don't. A low risk, time to learn, freedom to experiment. So don't waste your teenage years only trading time for money. Because you won't just stay broke now, but you'll actually delay your freedom in the future. So the question isn't, how do I work harder? The question is, what can I learn one time that will pay me repeatedly? And that's where we start. Because once you stop selling hours, you start building leverage. The next mistake most teenagers make is they try to do everything. A little bit of this, a little bit of that, 10 different ideas and zero momentum. But always remember that spreading yourself too thin means you're good at nothing. Tip number 2, the one skill rule. See, leverage doesn't come from doing more things. It comes from going deep on one thing. And here's the truth nobody tells you early enough. If you're average at 10 skills, you're replaced. But if you become really good at one valuable skill, you become rare in the market, and rare gets paid. Most teens jump between drop shipping one week, the next week it's crypto, then SMMA, like bro. But every reset puts you back at zero. So yeah, it feels like you're working, but nothing's actually compounding. You're not moving anywhere. The teens who work less and make more don't chase every opportunity. They commit to one leveraged high income skill long enough for it to stack. This skill could be something that helps businesses make money, something that saves people time, something that scales digitally. Right now, you don't need the perfect skill. You need one direction, one lane, one thing you're willing to be bad at for a while. Because once that skill clicks, every hour you initially put in will start to pay you back later. And that's how you stop working more and you earn more. The next step is learning how to take that skill and turn it into income without trading your time. Step number 3, the time trap escape. Most teens think once they've got a skill, they're set. They assume, I know something valuable, I'm probably just gonna get paid now. But that's the trap most don't see. Being good at something won't automatically make you money. If you still trade hours for money, you're capped. You might be really good at editing, prompting, or content creation, but if every paycheck depends on a fixed amount of time, you're still stuck in the same grid. Therefore, the next step isn't learning another skill. It's learning to detach income from your time. So what does this mean? This means getting paid for your value and not effort. Let me give you some examples. A video you edit once can get resold multiple times. A skill you turn into a workshop and then sell to businesses can earn you money for years. An AI system you build can be sold multiple times on end. But most teens never learn this. That's why even skilled teens burn out. But here's the kicker. If you combine one skill and detach your income from time, you suddenly unlock leverage in its purest form. Step number 4, the asset shift. Most teens treat work like an endless to-do list. Fix a task, move to the next, repeat. But that approach is exhausting and it never compounds. Tasks stop when you stop working. They're temporary, but leverage comes from assets. They're permanent. An asset is anything you create once and continues to provide you value over time. So like I said in step 3, even a small asset can snowball. One video, one guide, one small system can snowball. If you put in the hard work today, you can create months of passive income. That's why it's smarter to invest in things while you don't. So the action step I want you to take is build something that multiplies itself. Because once you do, every hour you put in after that stacks and compounds. But here's the catch most people miss. Even assets fail if you fill your day with the wrong kind of work. And that's exactly what step step number 5 talks about. How to ruthlessly eliminate everything that's keeping your leverage buried. Step number 5, elimination protocol. I know you probably feel like you do a lot of work, but you get nowhere. You wake up, school, homework, part-time job, side hustles. But by the time you finish, you're exhausted, you're stressed, and you're still broke. So here's the harsh truth. Not that you're not trying. It's that most of your effort is buried in the noise. Scrolling TikTok for inspiration. Chasing the latest meme coin without doing any research. That's why most teenagers quit and burn out early. I know this because I've been there. When I was 12, I followed every shiny opportunity and still struggled. But once I learned to focus, cut out distractions, and work with the right guidance, I made enough money to move out at 15 and chase my goals of playing academy football. And that's exactly what I give teenagers I work with now. A space where you can build skills, learn to make your first $1,000 a month with AI, get access to my discipline frameworks, and hop on call with my team to ask any questions. So don't waste your years spinning your wheels like most teenagers do. And that's why I created the AI Academy. You can check out the free link in the description that gives you access to my community. Anyways, back to the video. And once you've cut out these pointless work blocks, you can move on to the final step. Step 6 is where it all comes together. It's about using your age as a secret weapon, compounding all your leverage before life starts stacking responsibilities on you. Most teens think they have to wait till they're older to get ahead. You've probably seen those rich teenage flexers online, driving Lambos in Miami, flexing with thousands of dollars. And they all knew one secret that separates them from the rest. Your age is your unfair advantage. So step 6 is about using your age as a secret advantage. And it's simple. Learn one high-value skill. Build systems and assets around it. Eliminate distractions and stay consistent while your classmates are still trading their time for money. The real winners don't hustle harder. They position themselves early. Most teenagers never realize this and they spend all their 20s catching up. But bro, you're different. You have the exact blueprint in front of you that you need to succeed in your teens. In my community, I show you exactly how you can build online income with it, master leverage, and get live support from me and my team so you don't spend years figuring this stuff out. The earlier you start, the more time you have to stack systems and skills. But every day you wait is a day lost, while kids your age and your classmates are already turning their time into freedom. And 2026 just started, so now is the time to get in the game and start stacking your advantage before life gets heavy. I hope you found value from this video, and I hope to see you in there. Peace.